19-foot sailing boat for final restoring. Thanks for watching. So not last week, I filled this edges and I'm not sure why it went yellow. Anyway, probably from the rain or whatever. Anyway, so that's supposed to stop leakage inside. What I can see, it's not damp as it was before, maybe because it's not rain, but still. Look, this patch a little bit damp there because of this. I need to replace, but other holes were come, and yeah, done. But again, this corner is wet because of this fitting, definitely. And these, no, this is just solid. Nice. That's what we like. This side is definitely drier. What we like. So eventually gonna replace those. But before that, today we're gonna fit this side. Gonna fit these babies' walls. Yeah, let's do it. Obviously we first gonna grind a little bit, then and make thick an epoxy and send it on. Nice. Right, what we're gonna do, just sand it off a little bit. I think I'm gonna do just one side and don't need to see the other side as I'm doing. Really clean up. Bob is your uncle. Wow. We got new updates. We got a new update to the family. I wish they sponsored me, but there is a battery powered. What? Right, need a little bit some room. I'll try a new hoover and clean the villages. Well, kind of clean. Like this. A little acetone. I can't say it's dust free, but it's less than before. So we got some thickened epoxy. Just about to make. Got new bigger cups. Keep mixing. Something like this. Is that? Finally, number one goes. So we're gonna put this and then do bonded. Once it's secure in the place, dries out, we're gonna do the strips around, and we just need to make sure this in the spot. Do I know what I'm doing? Kind of. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Remember, don't. This is not level. So this not straight. Bottom out. Right, we leave this there and do other. What I want to do, square them up. I chose my favorite clamps. This is from other side. So what we're gonna do, fill the cracks, and hopefully dries out right. Much level. Nice level. Here's speed. This is all filled now. Hopefully it's gonna stay once I take the clamps off. And yeah, and we can start doing more. Right, now it's more than 24 hours later. Let's see. That really worked. Seems solid. Just take the clamps off. There we go. Well, seems solid. Anyway, well, we got first two. I think what I'm gonna do, this edge gonna match there, and just sand it off, make sure nice and even. Anyway, what I can say, this is one step forward. Nice. Nice. That's good. Nice and solid. So obviously we're gonna strip there, fiberglass there. Not sure 100% how far I'm gonna fiberglass here, but I might do here to begin. And then we'll see. We'll see. Anyway, let's go.